Hello. This is Teacher Lucien with VIPKID. Just doing a hopefully real quick video because I see a couple of people asking about how do I get the hello goodbye slide onto the platform. Now, please understand, if you're on the app, my sincerest congratulations to you, Mazel Tov, and all of that. Don't ask me how to put anything on the app. I'm not putting anything app related on this computer. This computer is here with God's prayers. I'm not going to add ManyCam or any new function features to this computer until I get a new one. And I'm not trying to do that in the next month as I don't have the funds. So if your questions wind up being about the new software, I cannot help y'all. You must sail the boat to a rich person and ask them. Everybody else that's broke as a joke and your computer's living on a live stream and you are using the portal to teach your classes, that is who this is for. Okay, so the hello goodbye slide. I'm not going to show you how to put that together, but what I will do is post a link to the most amazing video that helped me put mine together. Now, I didn't follow all of her instructions because I do know computers and I like art, so I had my own idea of what I wanted to do, but she gave me kind of the structure of what I needed to do, but her instructions are very user-friendly. So check them out in the comment section, and she'll show you how to do hello and goodbye. What I'm here to do is help you get the hello and goodbye onto the platform. So let's do that real quick. As you can see here, these numbers are there because I am not going to release any VIP information on here. I'm not showing a real quick snapshot of VIP's flat platform. You know why? I like my job, and they said not to share their stuff. And since I've had a class where a grown behind person is trying to take it, I now see why they are really protective of their material. So instead, I will tell you, when you go into your classroom to teach, there's the screen with you and your kid, and then there's the screen where the software loads up, okay? There are 4 tabs in that dock area. I'm calling them tab 1, tab 2, tab 3, and tab 4. We're going to use those to get your hello and goodbye up there. So the first thing you're going to do is go to tab 1, which is the default when you push docs. So in tab 1, it'll ask you if you want to look for a file, choose to upload or something like that. Click browse and look for your file. I can't help you find your file. You and Jesus, the only one knows where you put that file on your computer. But find it, select it, and then wait. Still not done? No. Still waiting? Oh, finally! It'll give you a note to let you know it's done. Everything else is just a false start. It takes forever. Some of you had those high-powered machines and it goes super fast. But everybody else, that's your wait time. So, and it will tell you that it's on VIP's system in China now. It'll let you know it's on their server. Now, after you do that, you will go to button 2. Because now you're like, well, where is it? You said it's here. Where is it? Button 2. That button should be familiar because a lot of you who have not taught or interactive lessons, that's where you go to get your files, because nowadays VIP doesn't load them automatically for all the classes. Trials, that's where you go to get your trial list. So go there and you'll notice the very first slide. That's the American one. The very first slide, that's the German one, is yours. Open it. You're done. Celebrate. Do a dance. and then have a panic attack 30 seconds before class because you just realized, well, how do I get back to the courseware? Ah! It's not that big a deal. Getting back to the courseware is just as simple. Go back to 2. Look for the courseware. Open it. There it is. Be your amazing self in class. Get those kids accolades. Have them all like, and you're done. And it's going toward the end and you're at the goodbye slide. That child may want to run off. So you need to be prepared to go back to option 2 and load it. Okay. You need to load your goodbye if you have a goodbye slide. All right. So that's the plain and simple of it. Some of you were going, I can't find the courseware. Everybody else, have a good day if you found your courseware. Thank you. Teacher Lucien out. All right. So the rest of you who are sitting here, you have an interactive class. Okay. Your interactive class is a different set of program standards. So it is not under document type stuff. It's under something else. So you need to go to tab 4 and open your interactive lesson after you put your hello slide away. Okay. And then you teach your courseware. So I think I took care of everybody. People who don't have interactive, know to push slot 2 to find their file. Those who have interactive, know to push 4. That's how you get to your file. Good luck. Happy teaching. And I will see you next time.